How to make a video call on Zangi. Okay, let's walk through how simple it is to jump on a video call using Zangi. It only takes a couple of taps. The first thing, make sure you have the Zangi app open on your phone. Let me open mine. Now, you need to think about who you want to call. Find the person in your contact list within the app. You can either scroll through your chat or go to the contacts tab. I am going to the contact. You can see contact icon just between the phone and the setting. It's right over here. Tap on it and there you can see my Zangi contacts, which is this one. Let's tap on it. That will take you to their profile. Now you will see a phone icon for the voice call and right next to it there's a small video camera icon. That one is for you. Simply tap on the camera icon like this and give the permission for the camera and microphone permission. So you don't have to do this again and again. However, this is me using it for the first time, so it's asking for the permission. Simply tap continue to give it a permission. And if you don't give a permission to this one, you will not be able to do a video call. Let's keep it while using this app and that will start a video call. So just tap on the video camera icon. Zangi will then start initiating the video call to a friend or the family member. That's pretty much of it. Just wait for them to answer and you will be face to face virtually. See how easy it was. Give it a try. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.